I want to show you how to schedule clients shift. First, we go to client. So when you see this part, if caregiver's name is already here, that means it's already scheduled. This blank, that means this client does not have the schedule. Let's check out with Corey Berry. Click client. So, click client, you will see daily care log, shift calendar. Another important factor is activities. Okay. So now we want the schedule start from March 1st. This is March 1st. Let's click. This is how you will see the schedule detail. First of all, uncheck all day. I want this client to have Friday, Saturday, 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock. Friday is weekday, Saturday is weekend. So I want to schedule weekday first. 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock. 11 p.m. 11 a.m. Okay. Recurrence. So you need to choose weekly and repeat until. Usually this one should be end of the authorization date, or some supervisor will put at the end of the month. Some supervisor like to do every month. Some supervisor like this schedule repeated all the way until the end of the authorization. It's up to you. But I will choose end of authorization. I don't know, so I will just leave it blank. So first, Friday, I want to choose one of our caregiver. This is also important. Require caregiver confirmation, uncheck. Client rate, CFC COPS, very important. You already set it as a default rate. Caregiver rate, check it very carefully. Caregiver rate is supposed to be caregiver's weekly rate, default weekly rate here. Excuse me. Saturday, it should be weekend rate, but this is Friday, so it should be weekday rate. Let's save. Look at this. So the red letters here, why? Because there's no repeat until. I told you the authorization end date. Now here, you will see authorization end date. Simply copy and paste or type it. Okay, now save. Okay, now you see the schedule here. We need to set Saturday schedule too. Again, uncheck all day. 11 o'clock to 9 o'clock to 11 a.m. Recurrence, weekly. Repeat until we got the authorization end date earlier. If you don't remember, just leave it blank. Later, the red color will pop up and then let you know when is the authorization end date. And Saturday, caregiver Imari. Uncheck caregiver confirmation. Hourly default CFC COPS. Caregiver hourly. In this case, caregivers weekend rate. Number 1 is weekday rate. We use this for Friday. Number 2 is weekend rate, 60 cents more. This is for Saturday. So click here. Save. Okay, so we finished scheduling. I want to teach you one more thing. This is also very important. So when you do authorization schedule, there's one more task. You can do it now to save your time. Go to activity. In ClearCare, you will need to put due date, 6-month, annual, home visit, annual assessment. Again, 6-month, annual home visit, assessment. You can simply add new task. Put the due date. Let's just practice. Oh, today is February 14th. So, okay, let's use February 14th. Okay. So status is not completed. Once you complete, you can change it to completed. Change it to complete. Okay. If it's not complete, click not complete. Recurrence, no, because this is one-time visit. Just leave this blank. Add your name. Let's say my name is assignee supervisor Sungla, for example. So if your name is Sungla, assignee is Sungla. Caregivers Corey Berry. You want this task shown in your office and shift calendar. Check. Caregiver portal, yes. So caregiver can see this 6-month annual assessment detail. So caregiver doesn't need to know. Please don't check. Check, uncheck. Add activity tag. You can add, if this is a 6-month home visit, 6-month home visit. This is very important. The description is what you can see from your shift calendar. First of all, you want to know what this task is, and also you want to know who this client is. So I will see 6 home visit and client's name. Okay, and save. So now I saved 6-month home visit for this client. You can do new task, same thing. This time you can do annual home visit. Annual home visit. Click annual home visit. Description again, annual home visit, Betty Coley. Let's cancel this. You can add new assessment due date. Date, not complete. Assignee, your name. Add tag, annual assessment. Click. You can say annual assessment and client's name and save. In this case, I will cancel. Once it's done, you can see this task in your calendar. Go to dashboard, office calendar. I think I added it to Sungla, so let's check with Sungla's name. Sungla. Here, we can filter with task. Oh, I unchecked task. Task. See here, this is Sungla's calendar now. I added assignee as Sungla. So here you see February 14, 6-month home visit, Coley Berry. Click here. You can see the detail. Not completed, assignee Sungla, Coley Berry, 6-month home visit, office and shift calendar. Description, save. I want to delete this one. I don't know how to delete. Edit task. So let's just plan to add 6-month annual assessment. These 3 are very important. Okay, I will erase it later. So let's go to C. Today you learned how to set up schedule. click Client and follow the video I showed you. And we also learned how to add 6-month annual assessment due date. Go to Activity, add new task. Follow my video. How can I check my office calendar? Go to Dashboard, Office Calendar. Add assignee's name. Here it's Eun Van Den Bosch. You can add Sung La, you can add Susan Pitt, you can add Linda Yoon. And you will see all the schedule. Thank you very much.